Hey guys, what's up? It's Christine Seal, the High Level Queen, and today we are going to talk about what is High Level CRM and why should I use it. So let's get started. Let's go ahead and talk about what High Level is, guys. I'm so excited because High Level is an all-in-one platform that you can use to replace every single piece of software that you ever used before in your agency, your coaching business, your consulting business, or even your brick and mortar. Okay, guys, you are going to get so many features with this software. It's not even funny. You can kind of see some screenshots here. It does reputation management, two-way SMS, two-way email. I'll get into all that. But first, I want to actually show you the platform and kind of go through each feature and why it's important. So first of all, High Level is a lead management system, okay? You're going to be able to import all your leads into High Level. You're going to be able to see them, how much they're worth, where they are in your pipeline. If you don't know what a pipeline is, go check out my video on pipelines. But how much is in your pipeline and basically how much money you have the potential of making at any given point, okay? You can also have conversations with your leads. You can text them, email them, even message them on Facebook. It's really cool. Here's the pipeline I was talking about. You can add cards in here. You can have opportunity cards. You can track where they are in the pipeline. You can move them back and forth, etc. You can also create campaigns where you're going to be able to basically go through here and send a text, email, voicemail drop. Then you can do the power dialer or the power SMS. You can do Facebook messages, a call campaign, a wait step. You can add tasks in here. You can add a webhook or you can send a Google My Business message. Super, super powerful, guys. But wait, that's not all. Did I mention that you can also build forms? You can build surveys. Okay, there's an HTML builder, so you can build HTML emails. There is a ActiveCampaign replacement and reporting, call reporting, appointment reporting, scheduling, so you don't need Calendly or Acuity anymore, reputation management. There's a funnel builder. You have unlimited funnels, unlimited websites, unlimited memberships. Does that look familiar? It looks kind of like Kajabi, right? You can even do triggers, and these triggers are going to be limitless. Okay, I have another video on how to set all this up. You also get a course if you use my link and a snapshot. But basically, these are all the things you can trigger on. And then these are all the things that you can do after that is triggered. Okay? You can look at your online listings. Oh, look, you even have a chat widget. I'm going to show you what that looks like. This is so cool. I'm going to show you what the chat widget looks like. Hey, see that? That's me. That's me right there. And I have a chat widget. You guys can sell this to your clients. Just the chat widget alone. The software that does this costs between $300 to $500 a month, and High Level's cheaper. Okay, it's crazy. All right. And you have the ability to do integrations, Facebook, Google integration, Google My Business integration. The possibilities are really limitless. And now I'm going to talk a little bit about all the software that High Level replaces, okay? So you have your Clickfunnels, Google Sheets, Kajabi, WooForms, I think that's WooForms, MailChimp, Zoho, ActiveCampaign, Clicksend, Callrail, Google My Business, because you can directly integrate. You can integrate with Stripe. You can replace Typeform, Jotform, and like I can't even there's so many more that aren't even on this list that you can replace. Basically everything I talked about, if you have courses, funnels, forms, call software, texting software, you can replace it all with High Level. Okay, I haven't even seen anything at this point. They've been around over 2 years and I haven't seen anything that they can't replace yet. And if they find out about a software that they can't replace, they will figure out how to do it. Okay, they have an ideas board. So all of the developments that they do are directly voted on by the community and they prioritize it based on the number of votes. So I would say that High Level is your safe bet for an all-in-one CRM platform. Now I do have another video on pricing and features, but I will go through the features really quickly. These are all the things I was talking about earlier that you're going to have in all of the plans. You're going to get all of these features. So you can go sign up using my link below for a free 14-day trial. You get my course, my snapshot, and all my bonuses. And it's really the best way to get you started and going with High Level, guys. So I hope this video helps you. Go sign up, save money with your agency, and thank me later. All right, I'll see you guys next time.